Hey guys, Joe from Eastwood. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Eastwood MIG Welding Pliers. Now, this set of pliers combines 4 tools into one. It's got a lot of great MIG functions. It's a budget-friendly tool that only costs a couple of bucks to pick it up, but it certainly makes MIG welding that much faster and easier. Now, the most obvious thing about these pliers is that they have a needle nose plier at the top, which is great for manipulating hot metal. Of course, you don't want to burn your welding gloves. These feature a nice square jaw with knurling at the top for extra grip on whatever it is that you're moving around. The handles have a nice rubberized non-slip grip texture to them, and the jaws are spring-loaded, which makes them very easy and comfortable to work with while you have your welding gloves on. Let's talk about what makes these great for MIG welding specifically. Firstly, you have 2 round jaws in the pliers. The larger one at the bottom is for the nozzle. Whether you have a screw-on nozzle or one that just pulls right off, these are great to help break it free. And when it comes time to replace contact tips, you could use the smaller one at the top to help you do so easily. Once you have the nozzle removed, you can use the square tips on these to easily clean off any spatter. Spatter will cause overheating or impede gas flow, so it's important to keep that clean in order to get quality MIG welds. You also have a built-in hardened wire cutter right there. They function like any other wire cutter, but when you flip these over and push it flush against the nozzle, the jaws of the wire cutter will be a perfect 1/4 inch away, which is going to give you perfect stick out every time. Last but not least, each side of the tool has a flat surface to it, which you can use for some light hammering, which is the perfect way to remove some of the larger spatters. Remember guys, if you like what we make, go ahead and check out our YouTube channel. We post a ton of product reviews, guides, and how-tos over there. Subscribe, like the video, leave us a comment. And as always guys, we'll have links to these pliers down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.